Hello friend, welcome back to Pankaj Bhatt's YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the topic. The phone is slowing down, you are running out of the storage and you have a lot of performance problem in your phone. So this is the topic we are going to talk about. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And by the end of this video, I will make sure you are going to solve this problem your own. So let's step to the end of video and we are going to solve a lot of problem related to phone performance. So join me as I deep dive into the chaos of my phone and challenge myself to fix all those issues which are slowing down my phone. You know, our phones are supposed to make our life easier, but let's be real, it can be very painful sometimes. I will tell you when it can be very painful. When you are like doing some urgent work and you have some urgent delivery and scrolling through the social media and your phones are not working because of performance, it can be very painful. And our phone are supposed to make our thing easy and keep it up to our daily life, but it's sometimes not true. And have you ever thought why we have that kind of issues? So I'm going to tell you what are those issues and how we are going to fix this. The issue we have because of mostly storage. So why we have the lot of storage that can cause your phone problems running slow. And then second, we have unlimited apps in our phone. Some of the apps even you are not using, you might have installed long time back, but those are like staying in your phone and taking a lot of space in your phone. And the other thing we are going to tell you, like how you can clear the cache and you can make your phone work properly. So step to the end of video and you are going to see how I'm going to solve that problem. Let me share my screen and I will show you how we are going to fix that problem. So in this video, we are going to use the Android phone where we have the performance related issue and we are going to fix them.
So first thing first, we are going to see why we have the storage related issue. So I'm going to show you how you can go to the storage area and how you can clean them up before deleting your important file, and you can keep the important file and just remove the unnecessary data. So you are going to go to the setting, and after going to setting you can just look for the storage area, or you can directly search here with the storage. So for me, I will search with the storage. You see the storage device here. Once you come here, you will see I have the total storage of 256 GB, and out of which I have almost used 238 GB. And here you see I have videos of 108 GB and images. A lot of things are there, but in this section I am going to tell you which things you can remove before deleting the important file, and you can keep the important file also. Without deleting important file, we are going to clean up this area. So here you see, first of all you have to check the duplicate files. So you go there and clean the duplicate files. So I will go here and just clean the duplicate file. We don't need the duplicate file here, so delete duplicate file. After that, you are going to come in the trash area. You see in my phone it is almost 2 GB. In your phone also you can see the 2 GB, and you are going to delete that because it will help improving the phone performance. So I will go and select everything. Select everything and just delete it. So now you see, even though I have not deleted the important file, still I have gained a lot of area. You see 2 GB, I got the extra space. So this is how you have to check in your phone which file you can delete and which file you cannot delete. But before deleting the important file, you go to this area trash, and the duplicate file, you make sure you clean them up. And after that, I'm going to tell you other thing where you can clean this area also. So next thing, we are going to check how many apps we have in our phone, which apps you don't use and which app you very frequently use them. So here you see unused app. And before that, if you pay attention here, it will say 15 GB of unused app I have. They are mostly I haven't used from the long time. So if you go there, most of them I don't use. So what I will do and select the DJ Flies 4 GB and all this app, you can just click them and delete them or uninstall it. So you are going to uninstall them. So this is how you can check in your phone, and it will help you getting the extra space. After this, what we are going to do, this is the second thing. The third thing, we are going to go and check in the storage. We are done with the storage, and we will go to the apps. So apps, I'm going to tell you a very important thing. Here you might have the lot of apps. So what you have to do, probably some are the like inbuilt app, you can go and disable them. And what else you can do here, the app which you don't use very frequently, go and delete them. Like if I don't use this, I can force stop, because this is inbuilt app kind of thing. And the some of the apps which I don't use, I can go and uninstall it. So you go one by one, all the apps which you don't use very frequently, go ahead and uninstall them. Or if it is inbuilt app, you can go ahead and make it force stop. So this is how you are going to clean up this area. This is also going to help you improving the phone performance. Next thing, what we are going to do inside the apps. So let's say we are going to clean the clear cache. We are going to clear the cache in this app. So these apps, what they do, they keep some kind of cache in the form of memory, and it increases the memory size in your phone. So what we have to do, we have to clear the cache also. So for example, if I go here, let's say I go to this MBL. So you will see here we'll have you have to go to the storage and clear this cache. For me, this is already clear, and I will take the other app. Let me see which app. Yeah, Binance. So go here and take the storage. So this is also clear. I might have cleared it already. So I'm going to select the very good app. Let's say Bank of America, and go storage. Here, because I'm very frequently using this app, or most of the time I keep using this app. So what you can go, you go to the cache and clear the data. So it will clear your cache, you see. So this is how you can, if those apps are important, you make sure you go to those apps and clear the cache. Let's say I will go to the Canva and clear. So this is how you are going to clear both the data and cache, and this is how you can improve your overall storage in your phone. Let me go to the storage now and check. So now you see, before I started, I had total 238 GB of data. Now I have almost deleted the 7 GB of data. Now my phone will work most probably very good, and it will have more performance. So this is how you are going to clean up your data in your phone. And you have to make sure first you delete the duplicate files and clean the trash, because here we don't have the much important data. So this is how you can keep the important file and deleting them, this kind of data here. And also you see in my screen shows the 3.4 GB of space by deleting old videos. So I have some old videos which if you want to delete, you can delete them or you can keep them. So this you see that this is the MB of space by deleting old installation file from the my videos folder. So I have some kind of MB data which I can delete also. This will show you where you can clean most of the data.
So you have seen this, like how we are going to clean up our phone data and make the phone performance better. So this are the kind of thing we have to do it. So these three things you are going to remember. First, storage related, which file in the storage you are going to delete it. First is trash files or duplicate files. Second, in the apps, whatever the apps which you are not using, you can go ahead and disable them or uninstall them. In the apps which you are using, you can go ahead and clear the data and the cache. I hope you like the video and your phone is going to get better performance. Please put in the comment if you like this video, and don't forget to hit comment and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.